guys, welcome to another video of Code Ninja. So let's get started. I have already posted the code in the GitHub repository of this. Okay, you can check. Okay, you can check the GitHub repository. I'm giving Okay, so this is my GitHub repository. Okay, you can check it out and check it out the code. Okay, this all is the code, and there's a big bunch of code, and we are still developing the Musha AI. And you can give your own name, just customize your name from everything up here, all the commands, database commands, and you can just change everything. Okay, so yeah, I have already given up the code. You can also go, it's a public open source code. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, this is my code. Currently I'm working on SMTP servers and an Oracle database that I want to put my all commands in. So if you this is the part one of developing an open source artificial intelligence API, or an open source AI. Okay, so this is the work till I did here. Okay, I have written today some line of code and just worked out with few bunches of code, and just trying to get through the some basic commands. And I'm currently researching on Oracle database for my all commands. Okay, so that is a big task for me, and so it's gonna be awesome. Okay, once you get on to the database. Okay, once we get to the database, it may be awesome because we can do a lot stuff with it. All the data, so the commands would come from the server, and it would be awesome. So let's test it. What till I've done, I have did an import Walmart. Okay, I'm working on this too. Once it's finished, I am working with a wall farm, the latest version of this Wallman and for. Okay, this actually a bit difficult because I'm not able to get any resources from the Walmart 0.2 version, which is the latest. And I want to get some good stuff. I have done few, but this actually not working, so I have to try this. But I have given the code till the working code in the GitHub repository, and you can to check. Okay, so let's get started. I have already did here something. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try to open it directly. Okay, these are my few projects. Okay, this is a tensorflow project. I just wanted to use tensorflow too for an external purpose that I may tell in the future. Okay,
Good evening, Caustic. I am your assistant Musha. How can I help you?
open Google.
Google is opened. How can I help you?
Who are you?
How can I help you?
See, it just searches everything. So if I just search, Despacito.
Sorry, Caustic. Can you repeat that again?
Okay,
How can I help you?
what is the time now?
The time is 21 hours 22 minutes and 17 seconds. How can I help you?
Who is Alibaba?
How can I help you?
Just see, just how as it is, it just gets me through all the stuff. Like it just you can do a direct web search and all the stuff. It's easy.
How can I help you?
Open YouTube.
YouTube is opened. How can I help you?
Open Gmail.
How can I help you?
Play songs.
Sorry, Caustic. Can you repeat that again? How can I help you?
Okay, guys. So it's music.
How can I help you?
See, it just plays me the music from a directory too. Okay, so I have like bunch of things, and this is the TensorFlow project that I'm working on. Okay, it's a big project, so I have to create some big for that, and I am working with tensor. I am trying to work with the TensorFlow API so I can get through all those stuff, and I am just working with the day one today. So it feels you can also download the code up here, and this is the code till now which I've done. Okay, just naming it as Mukta here. Okay, so guys, Thank you for watching the video, and please make sure to subscribe if you like, and if I want to continue the series and want to know about how AI is developed in a brain. Okay, thank you.